Now that you've seen how to flash the SD card in a push-button controller, let's do a rocker switch controller. Starting from the back plate of the controller, remove the 4 bolts holding it onto the controller housing. With those bolts removed, slide the board out of the controller housing, exposing the pie to remove the SD card from the back of it. Pull it out, it is not spring-loaded. Download and install Raspberry Pi Imager on your computer. Choose the OS you've downloaded from the Onefinity forum, link below. This will be the Onefinity Raspi image. It can be compressed or in a zip file. Now choose your storage device. Make sure that you only have the card from the Onefinity controller plugged in without any other storage devices, or you will write over them. Select yes, and the OS will start writing onto the card. If it asks you to insert a disk, you can exit out of that tab. We can now see that it's writing, and we're going to leave this until it writes, then verifies. After successfully flashing, we will reinstall the SD card into the Raspberry Pi. We'll then slide the board back into the grooves so it will slide into the controller housing. Make sure to watch for the ribbon cable so it doesn't get stuck on the corner while pushing the controller board back into the housing. Once we've done that, we can secure the back plate of the controller with the 4 bolts, and we're good to go, ready to get back to carving.